With 3D printers, we can design and create a seemingly endless variety of objects. Everything from model buildings to rare or expensive spare parts. They're really cool. However, using a 3D printer releases particles and fumes, which are known to be dangerous. Now, this is a real concern if you're an owner or an operator of a 3D printer. Operators can be inhaling dangerous particles and fumes. You can find out more about this in a report published by the Health and Safety Executive, and there's a link to this on our webpage. Now, the good news that there is a solution for controlling these risks, as well as risks posed by the high temperatures and moving parts associated with these machines. The 3D printer can be enclosed in a cabinet, which has an air filtration system. This makes the machine safe for the operator to use. Not only is this the sensible thing to do, but it keeps you on the right side of the law. Now, for more information about this, as well as how these risks can be controlled, visit our website ni3dprint.co.uk. We're glad to help.